Welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial you are going to learn what is CTE in SQL. So CTE is a very common term in SQL Server. You can use this feature in any database, most probably in every database like SQL, BigQuery, Sybase, Teradata. Yep, and they stands for common table expressions. So it is a temporary named result set, or you can reference within a select, insert, update, or delete statement. CTE are defined using the with keyword. So if you want to create a CTE table, that means you should have to use with keyword. The additional benefit for CTE is to simplify complex query, improve readability of your code, and avoid any redundant code. So let's move to our SQL Server environment, how we are going to use this CTE feature. So first of all, I have a superstore sales data. So I am going to show you this data. Okay, so here in this example what we are going to do, we want to get all the sales product, top 20 product sales from the store sales. So here you can see we have the product key and the respective sale for that particular product. So first of all, what I need to do, I need to create a SQL statement to aggregate sales by product. So here what I'm going to do, product key sum is a aggregate function or window function, you can say sales, total sales. Okay, and then we need group by clause, group by product key. Okay, having total sales greater than we need to all sales which is greater than 20,000. Okay, like this. So here now we want to put this statement in a CTE. So we are going to use with CTE sales edge, like this. Now if you want to pull this information from this CTE, so you have to write down like this, from CTE sales. So now, so you can see here, yeah, they are, that means CTE is non-persistent and only exists for the duration of the query executions. Okay, now I want to get the product name. So here so we are going to use this table to get the product name. Okay, so we are going to put here as p inner join CTE s CTE on p dot, then we can get the all column names equal to CTE dot product key. So we are going to use p dot product name comma CTE dot total sales. Okay, now you can see all the sales. Okay, now we are going to apply order by clause here. Descending. So the sales of this product is on the top. Then yeah, so you can see it is very easy to use CTE in a select statement. So here we are using CTE to perform aggregate some data, product sales data at a on the product key level. Then we are going to utilize this CTE table to connect with product name. Then in this case we are getting product name from the product name table, and then we are going to display uh, all the sales for that particular product. So CTEs are useful for recursive queries as they can reference themselves in a recursive manner. So in our next example, we are going to explore it. How can we use recursive or how can we build a recursive query with the help of CTE? And another additional feature you can say, they are optimized by the query optimizer and often result is in better performance compared to temporary tables for similar result set. Okay, so please like, share and comment. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.